What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Mr. Roland Travel, content creator in Africa. In today's video, guys, we want to take a tour around this 3-bedroom apartment in Mbarara City, land of milk and honey. Kindly, if it's your first time to watch my videos, don't forget to click on the bell button so you'll not miss any of our notifications. 3 bedrooms is for 1 million if you want to rent, and if you want to buy 3 bedroom is for 299 million shillings, because they buy and they rent. This is how they are for sale and they're for renting. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. Let us take a tour. I'm going to show you how the house looks like inside, guys. Peace up, guys. If you need an apartment in Mbarara, this is the best apartment, guys. They're for rent and for sale. If you want to buy, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. This is the living room. It's a beautiful area, guys. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Let me know what you think about this living room, guys. I will appreciate so much, guys. Let's take a tour in this living room, guys. Guys, this is the first bedroom. It's very bigger and beautiful, as you can see. Let us take a tour inside and show you how it looks like. It's self-contained, as you can see, guys. It's very beautiful, guys. Let me know what you think about this beautiful bedroom. This is our first master bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Also, let me know what do you think about this second bedroom, how it looks like, guys. Let me know in the comment section. I will appreciate so much, guys. And this is the last bedroom, guys. As you can see, also it's very beautiful. It's not self-contained, as you can see, guys, but it's very beautiful, and it's small but beautiful, guys. Also, let me know what do you think about this last bedroom, guys. like. This is how the view looks like outside. The view of outside, guys. This is how it looks like. Look the view of outside, guys. This is how it looks like. And this is the kitchen. Also, guys, let me know what do you think about this kitchen, guys. I'll appreciate so much. And if it's your first time to watch my videos, guys, don't forget to click on the bell button. Let's make 1K subscribers, guys. Outside the kitchen, this is the view there. Guys, if you need an apartment in Mbarara, this is the best apartment, guys. They're for rent and for sale. If you want to buy, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys.